In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever noticed the same transaction showing up twice in one of your accounts, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue, and the good news is that it's usually very quick to fix. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to locate the duplicate entry and remove it safely. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click on that, then choose Chart of Accounts. This area gives you access to the accounts connected to your company file, and it's where you can drill down into the transaction history for a specific account. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, find the account that contains the duplicate transaction. This might be a bank account, credit card account, or another account where the duplicate was recorded. On that same row, click View Register. This opens the account register, which is a detailed list of transactions posted to that account. At the top of the register, you'll see a filter option. Use this to narrow down the list and help you locate the duplicate transaction more easily. Filtering can save a lot of time, especially if the account has many entries. You can use the available details to focus on the date, amount, or other identifying information so the repeated transaction stands out more clearly. Once you find the duplicate, click directly on that transaction to expand it. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the duplicate entry and not the original one. This is important because deleting the wrong transaction could affect your records. If both entries look nearly identical, double-check the details before moving forward. After you've confirmed which one is the duplicate, click Delete. That will remove the extra transaction from the register. Once it's gone, your account should reflect the correct information without the duplicate entry, and that's all there is to it. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the register again after deleting the transaction, just to confirm that only the correct entry remains. Keeping your books clean and accurate makes reconciliation and reporting much easier later on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly clean up duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online.